What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video, I will show you how you can change your Pinterest username. So let's start this video by launching the Pinterest app. When the app is launched, you have to tap on your profile icon at the black bar at the bottom of the screen. And then it will take you to your profile. Now tap on the settings icon on top right corner. And then tap on Edit Profile. Now on this page, you will see your first name, your last name, and your username. Now to change your username, tap on that and change the way you like. When you are done, tap Done on top right corner. And if your username is not available, it will show you the message. Now you have to change it again. And then tap Done on top right corner again. And if the username is available, your profile will be updated. And that is how you can change your Pinterest username. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.